Welcome back. Your weekly sight words. I am your teacher, Miss Thee. Welcome back. I will be teaching another lesson on weekly sight words. Are you guys ready? Let's go get started. Can you say cat? The next sight word is bat. Say bat with Miss Thee. Bat. Can you say sat? Sat. The next word is hat. Hat. Can you say hat? Mat. Mat. Can you say mat? We will be putting all of the words in a sentence. Are you ready? The cat is black. I see a bat. I sat on the rug. The hat is blue. The mat is square. Now, I want to know if you guys can recognize all of the sight words, you guessed it, on the first try. Are you ready? Cat, bat, sat, hat, mat. You guys did amazing with the weekly sight words. I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye, guys.